I am going to show you how to make something pretty cool, yeah. So, I call this little model that I just made a chattering chomper, because it makes a loud chomping sound. You can feed it little food, actually. I'm going to show you how to fold it once you're done. You know, work before play. So, here's it. So, we're going to be folding, first we're going to rip out from an ordinary piece of origami paper, make a smaller square. So, you're gonna cut origami paper in half. So fold it in half and cut it, and then you'll have something that looks like this, right? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in half. Like that. And now you're going to fold in half on the exact same crease this way, like that. Make sure you don't do any damage to the model. And now just fold back and forth between that one crease and the other crease. So fold on this crease again, fold on this crease again, and so on, right? Now you're going to rip it. So make a tiny tear at the top. And then rip, 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 rip. Ta-da! So now you have a tiny little square piece of paper. See? Like that. Now, you're going to fold your paper in half. Diagonally. Fold this edge to the center crease. Fold this edge to the center crease too, but notice that I'm not folding it like this, I'm folding it like this, opposite. Now don't fold it in half quite yet, because then it'll look all weird like that. So fold this part over that kite part, like that. And then do the same on this side. You see this? So now, it may be hard to believe, but you're almost done. That's how short this model takes. So now fold in half this way. See? Now fold this part to this edge, this crease. Try to make it really precise. Do the same on this side. There you go. Now, you see these two creases right here? We're going to make a rabbit ear fold. So fold along that crease, but don't let it close up like that. Do not do that. Let it just fold like that. It's called a rabbit ear. See? Now do the same thing on this side. So fold to this crease. Oh, and also, your ears might start swelling up if you hear my humming. So maybe put mufflers over your ears. Bird ear fold. Alright, there you go. Chattering chompers. Okay, so now how you use these things. So you're gonna maybe put it like this. Put these two fingers on these creases. Oh my gosh, my finger's shaking. Now hold this part and pinch. So maybe you can make a chomp this way. Or or make it jump this way. Or if you fold this back real far, see what it is? And so you can also fold this rocket ship. And there are many creations you can make out of this. So many I can't even list them. It's one of those many models in one kind of creations, right? So I hope you have a good time fiddling around with this, and especially if you're an adult and you're at a boring meeting, you know. Just pull this out, give it to your coworkers and stuff. It'll be amazing. So there you go. You'll be worldwide popular if you show this to your school or your college, wherever you go. So there you go. There it is.